go. We don't have one.
Yeah. You want to talk? Hi Larry, this is Gal.
Hey Larry.
What's up?
What up? This is Spooky.
And then
my nigga says.
Yeah, happy 18th birthday, okay?
Happy 18th birthday. Wait, don't say that yet. No, we're supposed to start with happy birthday from song first.
Okay. Yeah. We edit that out. Okay. 1,
2.
Wait, am I recording?
Okay, I am.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
Okay. Hey Larry, what's up? This is Spooky.
And this is Gal Bang.
Yeah, and we have a little surprise for you. We
Yes.
haven't forgot about you.
Yes.
We purposely
Stop talking
to you
because of this moment.
because of this moment.
So yeah.
Okay, so are you ready?
One,
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Larry.
Lolly.
Lolly. That was good. Okay. Happy birthday to you, yay!
What's up? Happy 18th birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Lolly. I was gonna say Larry.
Larry.
Larva.
Larva. Yeah.
I'm just kidding. You're turning to a big butterfly now.
butterfly.
Don't forget about us to take us clubbing
Yes.
and yeah,
And a beer.
beer, liquor, shot that 150.
Yeah. Mountain Dew, Pepsi.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that junk beer.
Yeah. Water also.
Ooh, water. Hell
Kool-Aid.
yeah. Don't forget lime. No,
Egg roll. Egg rolls. Noodles.
Egg rolls, noodles, the coupon in your phone, and like yeah.
Your sandwich also.
Your sandwich also.
And then your fried chicken. Remember how you ate that fried chicken?
Fried chicken looked good. Shoot, I'm hungry. Sure, I'm hungry.
We're gonna go.
Okay, we're gonna go now. Okay,
Yeah.
and we don't have any kind of present cake for you.
Yeah, sorry about that.
We're broke. Yeah, we're broke. at least I am.
I
Yeah.
am too.
So yeah.
I used everything for my prom dress, which I'm not even gonna go to, but stop.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll save the dress for some other time
Yeah.
when we go to college actual party.
Yeah. So yeah.
All right, man. Okay.
Okay.
Wish you all the best and yeah.
Hope
Happy
everything goes
18th birthday.
Enjoy college. Bye.